Welcome back, my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. Welcome back, and if you are new here, welcome also. So guys, today I'm going to make cabbage. I'm going to make cabbage, no meat. I'm going to make cabbage with scallion, carrot, peppers, onion, and scotch bonnet pepper, and coconut oil, and I have my seasoning over here, guys. So I'm going to start by cutting my cabbage, and then I peel my carrots and get everything ready, guys. I'm going to show you step by step whatever I'm going to do today, okay? So guys, no meat. Guys, I'm slicing my cabbage. I don't want it too big, but a little bit bigger than if I was making coleslaw. I'm gonna put some in my bowl. Here, my cutting board, and I will be using all of my cabbage today. Guys, remember to tell me where you're watching me from, and tell me how you cook your cabbage and with what. Guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe, please. And we have other social media pages, guys. You can go check it out, please. Support us and be your family. You come in as a friend and go out back as a family. Leave me a comment and tell me if you're gonna make cabbage this way. I have to get a bigger base. I don't know how we'll get so much. I'm gonna have to get a bigger pan to put it in to wash it.
If you're a vegan and you don't eat other stuff, meat or salt fish, cabbage is good by itself.
Okay, so that's I'm finished cutting my cabbage. I'm gonna set it aside and get my carrots ready and my onions. So okay guys, I'm peeling my carrots. Everybody know how to peel carrot. Not everybody anyway, because I see some people peel carrot, I don't know. It's very easy. If you have a carrot peeler, very, very easy. Put this aside. Put all my stuff. So I washed my cabbage already and I put it over there to drain. I don't need no excess water on it. I'm gonna do my green onion, my scallion. Here they call it green onion. Get everything and wash everything and start cutting up. This is no good. Get another one. This one is too soft. This one is better. Yes, we're going to buy them. They're in the freezer. And guys, I love to use purple onions. They say you have a lot of benefits, more than the yellow one. But I love both of them.
I love to eat it more than to. I love to make like with salad, not to eat it in food, cooker. Like to eat it raw. I like it like that.
Okay, so I think I did everything. So guys, I'm gonna wash all my seasoning. I'm gonna get them washed and I'll be right back. Guys, I forget my garlic, so I'm gonna strip my garlic. But if you didn't see it here, you will see it after when I'm cutting it up anyway. But I'm still showing it to you now, guys. So stay tuned, guys, while we do this step by step, okay? Just stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm doing my onions. I'm cutting my onion first. So my onion is finished. I'm gonna set this aside. So I'm gonna set that aside. And I'm gonna start with my carrots now. One is a better way. This one. This one look. Try this way too. This one is a longer way. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it this way. Right, I'm just gonna do just 1 carrot because I don't want to overpower my cabbage. So I'm just gonna do 1 carrot. Can save the other one to make me some carrot muffin later. So I'm just gonna do 1. Okay guys, I'm cutting my garlic. I'm making them very thin. My little bowl over here. And as you can see, I cut up some of my bell peppers already and my onions. Oops. Okay, so my garlic is finished cutting. I'm gonna do my red pepper now. Can use these small ones in another dish. I think this is good for my. That's gonna be good for my my cabbage. Yeah. This one I won't touch with my hands.
You don't have any time?
Yes, I have time.
Somebody was asking.
Yes, I cook with time. There's some things I don't cook with time. I cook with time. So, make a little slight cleanup. So all my seasoning is over there. Okay guys, my cabbage is finished draining. Okay, still dripping. I don't think a lot of water is inside. So I'm gonna put on all my dry seasoning right now. Season my cabbage. A lot of cabbage. I will see. It's gonna go right down anyway. I will see how much it is. So I'm gonna add my black pepper. Not too much, maybe a teaspoon of black pepper. Seasoning going down, flavorize with a dash, another teaspoon. All-purpose seasoning. I'm gonna put a dash of it too. Not much is in the bottle anyway. Another teaspoon. And a little dash of Mrs. Dash. That's another nice seasoning to use. No salt is in this one. Maybe another. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of this. So all my dry seasoning are in. I'm gonna add my garlic. But I'm gonna fry up my onion first. I'm gonna add my garlic. And I'm gonna add my green onion and my carrots. I'm not going to add everything. I'm going to stir it up first to see how it looks. I don't want it to be overpowered. I'm going to get the gloves. don't want the carrot to overpower my cabbage. I want you to see that I'm making cabbage. So guys, when you're cooking, you can taste it, and if it needs more adjustment, you just add whatsoever you want. I'm not putting any salt in there, so I don't need no more salt. But if you need salt, you can add your salt. Okay, I think that carrot will do. This is okay. This will be okay. I'm gonna add my thyme. I'm adding my bell pepper at the end, guys. I'm gonna add it at the end. So now my cabbage is finished seasoning. I'm gonna saute my onions. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna turn on my stove. Heating up my pot over here. Okay guys, I'm adding my coconut oil to my frying pan. I'm scared of it's summertime, so it's all melted, guys. So I add like four tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna add my onion and kind of fry up the onion a little bit first before I add my cabbage. So this is one red onion and one yellow onion, guys. So I'm just going to fry it up a little bit, and then I add the cabbage, and after I'm going to add the bell peppers. So I'm giving it like 2 minutes, and then I add my cabbage. So stay tuned, guys. So okay guys, so my onions are finished frying up, as you can see. So I'm gonna add my cabbage, and I'm adding my bell pepper last because I don't want them to be overcooked. Okay, so I'm gonna get the gloves. So I'm adding my cabbage. Oops. Start falling already. And guys, if you try it, you leave me a comment. Tell me yes, you try it and you like it, okay? And this doesn't take too long to cook, guys. In 10 minutes it's ready. So I'm gonna change my gloves. In 10 minutes you're ready to eat, guys. I'm gonna cover it and let the steam go through it, and then I'll be right back with you. guys, so I'm making my first stir. It's looking nice. I'm gonna have to turn on the stove a little bit more so I can continue steam. And guys, you should just smell. The kitchen is smelling so nice with my coconut oil. Oh my gosh. I know the smell is just a taste. Okay, I'm gonna make it steam another 2 or 3 more minutes. I'm gonna steam it a little bit more before I add my peppers. So stay tuned, guys. Okay guys, so this is my second stir. Going on very good. Add my pepper now. I'm gonna add all my bell pepper now, guys. So I don't want my cabbage to be too soft. So guys, I'm going to add all my peppers. And I'm going to make a stir. And I'm going to turn off my stove because I don't want my peppers to be too mushy. This is my finished product of my cabbage. So okay guys, I add a little bit of butter in there. So I'm gonna let that melt out and then I'll show you the finished product, guys. And guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from, please. I need to hear from you guys. So I'm just gonna let it melt up the little butter I put in there and stir it up again, and then I'll be right back to you. So stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, so guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please, and tell me where you're watching from. So guys, this is my finished product of my cabbage. No meat is no fish is inside, guys. It's just cabbage and vegetables. Okay guys, remember, like, share, comment and subscribe, and tell me where you're watching from so I can give you a thumbs up in my next video. Okay, thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video. Love you guys. Ciao.